1 second. Okay, I have to make sure I'm recording. Alright. Where is it? Where's the teleporter?
Over here.
Okay. This time, stand next to the teleporter, alright? So we can pick up the stuff. And don't press E to pick them up, alright? Okay, I'm standing next to the teleporter. Alright, they're dead.
Oh, they're all
and my
dead.
game is frozen. Alright. Time for the
Alright.
game. Oh, I see the green.
Oh, I don't see. Yeah, I see that 1,000 items.
Wait, what happened?
Why is it? Wait,
Did they go in our inventory immediately because you're standing like it? Oh, never mind. They're harvester scythes. Oh my god.
I can't even see that.
It's like a beam of light coming out the sky. Look at my screen.
If I tab out, my game will crash.
Will it?
Oh, not responding.
Alright, time to wait. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna crash, honestly. Okay. That's 1 frame. I'm gonna press S once.
You have to help me here.
I can see you. You're like sitting there. Wait, I don't even see you. You're like invisible. Oh, okay. Oh, now it's just taking the screenshot that I took 8 minutes ago. Alright, Saki, I'm trying the best I can to pick them up. It's harvester size, if you couldn't see. Okay, I'm moving. Oh, I picked up... Apparently, I've already picked up 118. Alright.
Okay, good. That's gonna make me actually loaded.
I picked up 138. I think I'm going too far. I need to go... Oh, I jumped? What? When did I jump? Dude, I'm getting like frame by frame. What's going on? Okay, I'm still in the air. I'm gonna hold E so I go down. Alright, Stalking, do not press E because you're like right inside of the thing. Oh my god. Oh, am I screen sharing or not?
Responding.
No, I'm not even screen sharing. Oh, okay, now it's not responding. I picked up 140 of them. Oh, okay, never mind. It's responding. Frame by frame. Oh, okay, I'm landing. I'm gonna pick up as many as I can. You're still standing. Oh, wait, no, you're not standing on the teleporter. Where are you?
Item should spawn where I am.
Okay, apparently I'm looking straight down. I have to wait until all these
Okay,
frames load.
I hear the game.
Okay. Okay, I think it's safe to say it didn't
It's
crash.
responding. How did it not crash?
Dude, 2002 isn't enough? Do we need to do 4,000? Okay, I'm getting that same noise.
Oh my god,
last time.
I just see fucking needles in a green ring.
3 needles and a green ring. Oh, you just now got to the green ring, man? I was there like
Yeah.
4 frames ago. Oh my god. There's no item magnet or anything? This is horrible. Alright, Psychic, I'm gonna somehow look up and maneuver my way over to the teleporter and try to leave. Or should I try and pick everything up?
Try to pick everything up.
Alright then. That might be a bit difficult because everything's scattered. Why is my character jumping? I didn't press space. Okay, look left. by frame. I can do this. How did 1,000 give us a harder time? Stalking?
Yeah.
How did 1,000 give us a harder time?
This is giving me a harder time.
It really isn't. Mine is going like a lot faster. Why did I just hear like a cash register? What was that? Just heard a cha-ching. Oh, okay. What was that? I'm glad I'm recording this. You getting all this? Did you get
Nope.
any of that? Oh, okay. Dude, things are still landing.
Oh my god, I actually see that. I think 1000 just spawned in another. That's why my game is still frozen.
What? What is this smashing noise? Do you hear this? Okay, I can see everything. Oh my goodness. It's okay, guys. The game will load. Even if it takes every frame. Oh, there's one frame. I'm gonna press A. Give it a second. Oh, there's one frame.
You
Oh.
got this.
Alright, this will take a while. Alright. Oh, you disconnected!
It did?
It said NG disconnected, and now it's saying I'm picking up harvester size for themselves, question mark, question mark, question mark. Yeah, you're not on my left now. I think you crashed.
Let's go.
Why does my computer have to be good?
Deep crash.
Should I screen share? You see my screen
I've
stocking?
unlocked the secret ending.
Look at my screen. Did yours close, or are you still in the game?
Deep crash, I'm still in the game.
You see my screen?
Yeah. Just walk through the field. You'll get everything you want.
I would, but I can't move. Here, I just held A and W. Oh, did I jump on accident? My hands are off my keyboard. Like I'm just watching this play out. Oh, yeah, I think I jumped on accident. Oh, wait, stalking. I'm gonna look up. I'm gonna try to look up. I think what's lagging in the game is the fact they're all spinning.
Real.
If it could make them stand still. Oh, okay. That's progress. Should I just hold A and W?
Wait, I don't think I crashed.
It says you disconnected. Alright, I held the A and W for like half a second. Dude, do you hear that noise? It's so, like, I hate it.
I hear the whispers.
Oh, I think I picked some up. Oh, yep. Are you seeing this stalking?
Yeah, you're getting more than 1 frame per second. That was like 2 frames.
No, I'm not. Are you? Oh, okay, there's one. I'm gonna hold A
Two.
and W. I think that's gonna send me kind of into the teleporter, though. Oh, there's one. I have picked up 191. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's going a bit faster.
Again, 2 frames.
Not very. You think this would still happen if I was playing this on GeForce Now?
Yes.
I would break the GeForce Now server. You think if I crashed a game on GeForce Now, it would break the server? Alright, Stalking, I've now picked up 317.
That's 25%. More like 15%, but you know. We gotta be optimistic.
Sure.
That was 3 frames.
No, it was not.
That's one.
Oh,
two,
okay, there we
three.
go. 379. Almost 400. Oh, here we go. After this, I'm gonna have severe PTSD on this map. It's not even the boss. It's the fucking items. Auto sprint is gonna screw with me on this. Oh! I picked up 450. Okay. I think I'm going a bit too far. Okay, he stopped. That's good. That's enough. You think my family's having problems with the Wi-Fi right now? Did your game close yet?
No. No, it's still not responding.
It's just not... Oh, so yours might have actually crashed. But you have to close it.
Yep, my game crashed. It closed.
It closed? Or are you joking? Did you close it?
It closed.
Did it actually?
Yes.
So do I have to do it 4,000 times?
You
Or
might.
should I just end it?
Just end it, bro.
Okay, well then I'm gonna try to make my way towards the... Or should I just keep picking them up? I could probably circle around the teleporter. It'd take a second. I just held W. I think I did it for a bit too long, though. Oh yeah, it says I can play your games now. My computer's not overheating, surprisingly.
My PC almost fucking died from that.
There's no way. Oh, okay. 557 I've done.
Actually, 25%.
No, it's... Sure. About 22%, actually. Alright. W and D, I held it for a bit. I have to narrow it down to like 50, you realize that? Before I can actually, like, run the game. This is what Cyberpunk 2077 looked like on release?
Yeah.
Or was it worse? Okay, I looked to the right, but I think I did it a bit too much. This is so stupid, Stalking. Why did you make us do this?
I felt like it.
It says we've been playing for 130 minutes, but we definitely playing for more. Look, it's going
God
second by
damn.
second. Look at the top right. Wait for a frame to pass. Not even second. That was like 40 milliseconds.
It went back! What the fuck?
Wait, it went back in time? What?
It was in like 36 seconds and then back to 37.
Are you stupid?
No, it literally did. It went to 36 and then 37 seconds.
Oh. I thought
It's
you meant it
38
went...
to 37!
No, that was 37 to 38. Are you stupid? Oh,
No, it
shoot.
was 38 and it went back to
Hey, no,
37.
my
I think
camera's
you're
messed up now. Do I move it? Oh, never mind. It fixed itself. Okay, I picked up 739. Almost half of it. Okay, I'm gonna hold D. I think that was a bit too long. This is so stupid. I hate this. Why did yours have to crash?
Because I'm better. I have the worst PC.
Yeah, I don't think that's a flex.
That's a
Dude,
pretty
this
big
Lepton
flex.
days are really carried, huh? Your bungus is still going off. Your turrets are still here.
That's yeah. You're get the turrets are actually proceedingly helping lag the game as well because of how much ticks they're showing.
And the same with my stupid void jailers. I mean, thank God. Oh, there's a fucking scavenger sack. I'm just gonna open it. Is it gonna open? Oh, yeah, it opened. To wait for it to spray out is good, though. Yeah, there it goes.
Please don't talk like that. Like you hurt
What?
yourself already.
The scavenger's gonna spray out its goods? All over me? What do you think these are gonna turn into? With stupid Bethany
Dog.
Bloom. They better turn into fucking Dios. Out of any legendary, what are they gonna turn into? They better not be desk plants. 2002 desk plants. Or desk plants. I don't even think I'm gonna pick up all 2,000. It's gonna be way too difficult. Okay, I'm gonna hold S and D. That'll definitely get a lot of them. But that was way too long. He's not even moving. Oh, there we go. Sucking, I've almost got half. Yep, 1,009.
Nice.
I'm gonna hold S. I hope Outplayed is still recording this. This is so stupid.
This is so dumb.
Do we even have the Void Portal?
We don't.
We don't. I have to do another stupid stage. Okay, S and... That was way too long. Way, way too long. Oh, there he goes. He's doing his set path. Okay, apparently it wasn't long enough.
Do you think I could rejoin?
You can rejoin in multiplayer?
Probably not. Never mind. You can.
Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa! It's going faster. Are you seeing this?
Yeah.
It's like actually 1 frame a second.
Grab items.
I am. I'm trying, dude. I'm trying to make as precise movements as I can. I pressed A like 8 minutes ago. The journey. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Okay, that's good. Alright, I'm gonna move my
I
camera.
can't wait to see this.
It's like a baby taking its first steps. Hold W.
Uh-huh.
Oh no, I'm sprinting. That's not good.
138k healing.
Okay. Okay.
700 left.
Oh my god. I'm doing it. I can do it.
Press W. You're teleporting back.
Oh no. Okay, it's going faster. Thank God this isn't like energy drink or anything. That would be so painful.
1500.
Okay. Oh, dude. Oh, yeah, now my computer's heating up. I can hear it.
Mm.
This is actually 1 FPS. Oh my god.
It's more than 1 FPS.
It's like 2 FPS now. The FPS counter
Wait.
is broken.
It's back. You can play the game.
I did it! I broke the FPS counter. I have to pick up all 2,000 of these. I'm like obligated now. Oh my goodness.
There's definitely some in those bags.
There's no way I just did that. That's such a waste of time, dude. Dude, no, I'm not even joking. The FPS counter still says 1.
Bro. Jesus Christ!
Critical strike seal for 7,616 health. Oh, okay, the FPS counter. 25. All 2,000, buddy. You got this. I should not have picked a loader for this. Literally, like, accurate. He's so slow. He would have worked. All 2003. All of them. Alright. 1.
They're on the
2002. 2004. Did I get one from a scavenger pack?
yeah.
I'm still lacking. Is it the
Just
stupid
go through the
turrets?
teleporter.